How to turn any image into a cartoon using Canva AI like this. Canva has a vast collection of AI tools that can be used for free. Let's transform a real image into a cartoon now. Alright, I'm here on Canva PC, but you can follow these steps on your phone too. Let's start by creating a new design. You can choose any size you want. For this tutorial, I'll just go with Instagram post. I'm using Canva Pro, but don't worry if you don't have it. This trick works on the free version too. By the way, if you want to get Canva Pro for free for a lifetime, check out the link to my other video in the description below. Now, I have this image of a real person that we are going to transform into a cartoon character in just a few seconds. Simply drag and drop your image into the design workspace. Make sure the image is selected. Next, tap on the app's icon from the options panel. In the search bar, type Cartoonify and search for it. You'll see various results, but we want to tap and select this one. Tap on the open button, and then click on Cartoonify and replace. It may take a few seconds for Canva to generate the cartoon image. And there you have it. Look how cool this cartoon version is. Sometimes the cartoon version might not look exactly how you want it, but you can always regenerate it until you're happy with the result. This is just one of the many amazing things you can do with Canva's AI tools.